Hello guys, this is an interactive Power BI dashboard visualizing the results of data professional survey I made. Now this dashboard provides valuable insights into the demographics, the skills, experiences and workplace satisfaction of various data professionals across various roles and countries. Okay, now we are going to be looking at some valuable insights from this dashboard. Now, starting from this chart, count of voters by favorite programming language. Here you can see that Python is the most popular language among respondents, followed by R, followed by others such as CC, JavaScript, and the rest. Okay. Now, about 255 persons uses Python more out of 630. Okay, that's a lot. Now, average salary by title, average salary by job. Here you will see that data scientist is the most popular. Data scientists have the highest average salary with detailed breakdown for data engineering, data architects, and others. Now, data scientists have 93.78 average salary per year, average yearly salary, while data engineers have 65 average yearly salary. Okay, and let's move to the next chart here. Voters by country of origin. Now, in the United States, out of 630, we had 261. And in the United States, the average salary for data professional is 78.82. In UK is 46.36, while in Indian is 29.91. Now, in the United States, data scientists are also more. They are the most popular profession among data professionals. Okay, while in Indian also data scientists, and in the UK we have data analyst and data engineer topping the chart. In Canada we have we have it's a spread of different things in Canada. Okay, but data engineers data engineers are more than data scientists and data architects. Okay, now moving over here, the average age of the survey takers were around 29.87, so roughly, 30-year-olds, and there were about 630 survey takers. Okay, now comparing how happy data professionals are uh, with work balance, like how happy with work and life balance, you can see that it is 5.74 out of 10. Okay, and if you compare how happy data professionals are with their salary, is around 4.7, 4.27 out of 10. So people are roughly 50% happy with their salary. Data professionals are roughly 50% happy with their salary. Now, moving to the average salary by male or female, here you will see that the females have 50.8% average salary, and the male have 49.2%. So, by this analysis, the females are paid more than the males, but just, slight, just a slight difference. So, that is that. That is that for that. So you can go through this dashboard if you want to. I will send you a link of this interactive dashboard to view the raw data and some other things so that you can understand this analysis. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I hope to get some of your contribution. If you have any, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you.